In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share documents on Google Meet. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to make your files available to everyone in the call, right where they expect to find them. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Choose the date and time you want for your meeting by clicking directly on the calendar. This opens the event editor. Give your meeting a clear, descriptive title so attendees immediately understand the purpose, like project review or weekly check-in. Next, add the document you want to share. In the event editor, look for the attachment option and open it. Select Google Drive as the source. In the Drive Picker, navigate to In My Drive, then open your Documents folder or the folder where your file lives. Find the file you want to include, select it, and confirm by inserting it into the event. Attaching files from Drive is best because everyone sees the most up-to-date version automatically, and you avoid juggling multiple copies. When your attachment is in place, save the event. You'll be prompted to send invitations to your guests, so they receive the calendar invite with the Google Meet link and the attached document. Send those invites to keep everyone informed and to ensure the file is available to them ahead of time. When it's time for the call, open Google Calendar and click the meeting you created. Choose Join with Google Meet and then select Join Now to enter the meeting. Once you're in, open the Meeting Details panel. Here, you'll see the Attachments section that includes the file you added in Calendar. This is the easiest spot for participants to find the document without searching through chat messages or email threads. A few helpful tips as you do this. Keeping your files in Google Drive ensures live updates are shared with everyone. If you adjust content in a Google Doc, Sheet, or Slides, the changes are reflected immediately. Using clear file names makes it obvious which document to open during the meeting. If your organization uses shared drives or folders, store the document there so the right people have access by default. And because the attachment lives on the event, attendees can review it before and after the call, not just during the meeting. That's it. You created a calendar event, attached your document from Drive, saved and sent invites, joined the meet, and surfaced the file in Meeting Details so everyone can access it instantly.